Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Easy Out extractor. First, you need to select the right size extractor for your broken fastener. This is crucial for a successful removal. Next, carefully drill a pilot hole directly into the center of the broken fastener. Make sure this hole is straight and deep enough to allow the extractor to get a good grip. Proper preparation is key to avoiding further complications. Once your pilot hole is ready, it's time to insert the Easy Out extractor. Gently tap the extractor into the hole using a small hammer. You want it to seat firmly, allowing its reverse threads to bite into the fastener. Make sure it feels secure and doesn't wobble. It's important not to force the extractor, as this could expand the fastener or even break the extractor itself, making the job much harder. Now for the extraction. Attach a tap wrench or an adjustable wrench to the top of the Easy Out extractor. Slowly and steadily turn the wrench counterclockwise. As you turn, the extractor's reverse threads will grip the broken fastener and begin to unscrew it. Maintain consistent, even pressure throughout this process. You should feel the fastener start to loosen and eventually come out completely. Here are a few extra tips for successful extractions. For really stubborn fasteners, apply some penetrating oil and let it soak for about 15 minutes before you start. Always remember to wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from any flying debris. Finally, investing in a good quality set of Easy Out extractors can make a significant difference in their effectiveness and longevity. Happy extracting!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.